Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add QR codes and links to your Canva designs. So let's say you got this invitation party and you want the guests or the one you are invited to scan the QR code to know the location. Let's say you can use this apps on Canva to create the QR code. So you can click on apps on the left panel in here and then just click on the search bar at the top and then just find in QR code as the keyword. Click on enter. And then here you can see there are lots of QR codes apps that you can use. So I'm going to just use QR codes and links in here. Tap on the app. So by using these QR codes and link, you can easily create and add QR codes and short links to your design. Then track their engagement with in-depth analytics. So let's just click on open. Here you need to connect your Canva with this Bitly account. You can click on connect. So if you haven't had the Bitly account, you can create one first. So I'm going to just use continue with Google in here. Then choose my Google account. Now tap on continue, and in here just create a new Bitly account. Okay, so here you can just add the destination link in here. For example, I'm going to just use my YouTube links, my YouTube channel link, because this is just an example. I'm going to just paste it in here. Now you can choose if you want to create QR code and short link or short link only. I'm going to use this one. Now tap on generate and just wait until the QR code. Okay, now QR code has been added. Here you can adjust the color. I'm going to go with orange because this is Halloween. And you can also change the background. I'm going to go with okay, so I cannot change the background. Now you can also change or add the link. Here I'm going to add the QR code in here, and you can just click or drag it to add to design. I'm going to click it and you can put it in anywhere you like. I'm going to go put it in here, for example. And then you can also click on the short link and you can just click on copy link in here. Now you can just, for example, I'm going to put the link in here, and that's it. So now the QR code and the short link has been added into your design. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on